Write an explicit formula for the sequence and find A7. All right, so 7, I might think about writing this one out. We'll see. All right. So what's happening if I look at this, it's subtracting 150 and then subtracting 150 again. There's no way that's what I'm supposed to be doing, because subtracting 150 would give me negative 50, and that didn't happen. So that means it's whatever this is right here. All right, it's got to be a geometric. It must be dividing. So alpha y equals 100 over 250 is 2/5. So my common difference is 2/5. Now that I see that, I'm thinking maybe I don't want to deal with writing this out. I'm not a huge fan of fractions. All right, A1 is 250. The rate is, and I labeled that D as R. I probably did that in at least one other problem. So 2/5 times to the n minus 1. I want the 7th term. Was it 7? Yeah, 7. All right, so again, this is borderline writing it out for me, but when I see that fraction, I'm like, yeah, no. All right, 7 minus 1. So then I'm just going to take my calculator. I'm going to put in 250, 2/5 to the 7 minus 1, which is 1.024. If I do want it as a fraction, all right, because it was a fraction, I can hit math fraction, and it's 128 over 125. But if you wrote the decimal, that'd be perfectly fine. I like to stick to fractions when I can, just because it's easier to deal with them. All right. So example there, 7th term, but maybe I don't want to write that out, because maybe I don't want to keep trying to multiply by 2/5 in the calculator. That's a lot of buttons to hit that I can do in one shot with a formula.